Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. See how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
And if you look around, you are going to agree with me that we have the creme de la creme of the society here in the Palace of His Imperial Majesty to celebrate our dutiful mother, a woman of inestimable value to our great husband. And it is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to this grand occasion. One of the holy books said, teach us to number our days so that we can apply our heart unto wisdom. 75 is not a joke. And if you know her mom, Iyale Koto, you will also agree with me that she has fulfilled her destiny by being the wife, or should I say the Oya, of a modern day Shogo, the Alafi of Oyo. We have many guests here with us, and I'm going to try as much as possible to recognize each and every one. And if I don't perchance recognize you, you will please have to bear with me. You know, when we have so many equal people sitting down in a particular place, it's always very difficult to do all the introductions. But I'll try as much as possible to do this. Having said this, let me quickly welcome our preacher for today.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. And have to subscribe. There's exactly everything. Gua TV. Click on it. You see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.